Oh wow, nice. There's the screen glitch that I've been seeing. Yeah, and there it goes. It's fine. Something that I'll have to deal with to bring, yeah, I'll have to bring that to GM to take a look at while it's still under warranty, for sure. I don't have a lift, so what I did was there's a bit of a slope on my driveway. And yeah, my front end lift is also up. So the car is, I have enough room to work with. And so I'm gonna just prep this, tape it as well as the other one. And clean everything off first, and then tape it. And you know, I think it's pretty close. If you know, the carbon fiber weave, you know, it still feels like it's the resin finish, but I'll find that out. These are the 4 products I'll be using to do the carbon fiber repair. I have some alcohol rub to clean the surface. I found this product online. It was actually recommended by a local body shop, System 3 Clear Coat. It's an epoxy resin. It's a 2-to-1 ratio. You mix it with a hardener, and it's supposed to cure to a clear, glossy finish, so I don't want that yellow effect. It cures in about 1 hour, so that gives me enough time to, you know, work with it, and all the instructions are here as well. At the end of the project, I'll be using some polyurethane. It's a clear gloss as well. It's not supposed to give that yellow type of finish. And I picked up some sandpaper online. This is 100 grit all the way to 2500 grit. So, you know, early on, I'll start off with 100. And then as I get into more finer finishing, I'll work my way up to 1,000, 2,000, 2,500, and hopefully I get a nice finish. It's almost like doing auto body repair, I guess. Just keep filling, you know, sanding it, and then kind of repeat that process until it's a nice smooth finish. Let's start off with cleaning the splitter. I should actually be washing the entire car, but unfortunately, we're just going to start off with the splitter for today to get the project going. Okay, my next step will be to apply the 2-to-1 ratio, and I'm just going to mix up the epoxy and the hardener, and then I'll be using a brush, sponge brush, to apply the resin to the 2 spots on the carbon fiber splitter. Yeah, this area here is definitely probably the area that has the most damage. There's a close-up, and you could see that, you know, there's definitely some resin there that's popping up, but this carbon fiber here is, you know, definitely exposed, so I got to be pretty cautious there not to actually sand over the carbon fiber. I hooked up my compressor, and I'll just quickly clean off the surface. As I'm starting to sand here, it's good to see that the carbon fiber is actually not really exposed. So this area here has already had 2 coats, and this one here I'm going to apply 1 coat, or its first coat. Okay, let's see what happens there. So here I'm going to apply the 3rd coat and final coat for today, and then we'll have to work on some sanding. I mean, this area here does not look perfect, but maybe I might be able to sand that off and try to correct it a bit more. Okay, I think this is probably enough for this little spot. So I've applied 3 coats of epoxy resin so far. It's already starting to look better. That's sort of the area where I had the most problems, right in here. So my work is done in terms of repair work now. You can see here, this is where the bulk of the damage was in the carbon fiber splitter. So it's quite flat and dull, so I'm going to just give it a wash. And I picked up this product, this Meguiar's Ultimate Polish, which I'm going to apply. I only washed the front splitter because it's raining here today, and yeah, I'm just going to wash it up and apply the polish and see how it looks. I also picked up these polishing pads. Picked them up on Amazon. They're not too expensive. This set here was about $25, and according to the website, the black is the most fine, I guess, in terms of, you know, the ability to cut in, and this will cut in a bit more to try to remove if you have any scratches once applying the polish, and you just snap it onto your drill. So we'll see how that works. So now with this kit that I bought, you just attach it in here, tighten it, and then you know which pad you want to use. So you just basically Velcro it on, and off you go. So I'm just gonna dab some of the polish on. Just gonna start off with a little bit, not very much. It's such a small area, and it might even be worth it for me to actually do this by hand, but let's give it a shot. Okay, so I just finished up my project, and I gave the car a little bit of a scrub, and you know, I think overall it filled up the scratches, and you know, there was one that was a little bit deeper, and I think you know, my objective was to just kind of, you know, when I walk by it, to just take my eye away from it. And I think I've done that. I did it, you know, fairly quickly. I got 2 quotes, one for $1,400 and one for $1,750. So one shop basically said, you know, throw it away, start from scratch. So I think overall I'm satisfied. Is it perfect? No. I think I may, you know, try to improve on it in the summer. So, you know, I've learned how to repair the chips, you know, with the products I purchased. So hopefully this video helps someone out. This is my first attempt at it, and I have a funny feeling I'll be doing some more repair work on this carbon fiber splitter down the road. But overall, I think I accomplished what I wanted to do. So thanks for watching. Like and